You've seen the videos. Make $10,000 per month dropshipping. But when you try, nothing sells. Here's the truth. It's not the product. It's the niche. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to pick a profitable niche in 2025, step by step. Most beginners pick a niche based on passion or trends. And they fail. The real winners? They pick niches with demand, low competition, content potential. And in 2025, there are 3 types that work better than any other. Products that make life easier. Not cool gadgets, real solutions. Why it works. High search volume. Best kitchen organizers. TikTok loves clean with me videos. Easy to demo in content. Pet owners spend emotionally. They'll pay $30 for a GPS tracker to find their dog. Why it works. High engagement on TikTok. Repeat customers. Strong emotional connection. People are investing in mental health. Sleep, relaxation, mindfulness. Why it works. Premium pricing possible. Great for storytelling. Evergreen demand. B-roll. Red X over phone grip. Long shipping label. $5 price tag. CBD bottle fad product. Even if a niche looks good, avoid these red flags. Saturated products, like phone grips or LED masks. Long shipping, 30+ days means bad reviews. Low perceived value. Under $10 means low margins. Legal or health claims, like CBD or supplements. And trendy but dead products, fads that peaked 6 months ago. Rule of thumb? If 100 stores are already selling it, find the next one. You don't need to feel if a niche is good. You need data. Use these 3 free tools. Search your niche, e.g., weighted blanket. Look for steady or rising interest, not spikes. If it's flat since 2020, skip it. Search kitchen organizer. Sort by top ads. If it has 500K plus views and growing, demand is real. Shows fastest rising products. Look for items with 1,000 plus new reviews. High reviews equals high demand. Now it's time to take action. First, write down your why. Why are you doing this? Is it freedom? Extra income? A real business? That why will keep you going when it gets tough. Second, pick your niche. One of the 3 we covered. Home, pet, or self-care. Don't overthink it. Just pick one. Third, validate it. Use Google Trends or TikTok Creative Center. If it's trending, it's real. Fourth, open a free Shopify trial. Shopify.com. You don't need to spend $1. Just build it. Your goal? Make your first $1,000 in sales. That's not a dream. That's proof. And that's your starting line. You now have a clear niche strategy, a realistic timeline, a plan for the next 90 days. You're not guessing. You're not chasing trends. You're building with purpose and clarity. The next video, I'll show you how to find winning products using the same tools top sellers use. Subscribe, and let's build something real.